hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey.
Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mila. Hope you guys are doing well. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're a new subscriber or a new viewer, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Like, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and give this video a like, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and that will make my soul happy. Okay, so for today's video, as you can see, I'm really feeling myself. Okay, I'm really liking this makeup look. For today's look is a TikTok hack that I'll be trying with you guys. I haven't done this before. This is my first time and I'm liking it already. As you can see how my makeup looks, like, it looks really nice in person. It looks really good in person, like. And I'm doing a wear test. I forgot to do an intro for this video and I just came back to do it. But as you can see, like, the glow is not sweat, okay? It's a natural glow. All right, so yeah, I came back to do an intro for you guys. It's a hack and I hope you like it. If you do, stick around, don't go anywhere and keep watching. So guys, I have never tried this TikTok makeup hack before. I'm basically trying it with you guys. First of all, I'm going to moisturize first. So I'm going to go in with this shea butter as I'm almost like out of this. So I'm going to take some and then rub that on my face. So next step, we are going to powder the face down. So to do that, I'm going to be using this Pan loose face powder. This is it right here. So you don't need to go in with a lot of powder. So powder is on. Now I'm going to set my face and I'm using this Hydro Flawless Fix Mix. Let's wait for it to dry down, then we'll apply our primer on top of it. So next step, we are going to prime, and to prime I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte primer. This is what it looks like. So this is what I have here. Let's apply that on the T-zone areas. I'm focusing it on the T-zone areas, guys, because those are the areas I get oily quickly. I'm going to be doing a wear test for this look to see how long my makeup is going to last. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and I'm in the shade Caramel. So I'm going to put like a few pumps behind my, I'm going in with like 3 pumps. This is what I have here at the back of my hand. So guys, I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush to apply my foundation on my face. I just hope this makeup look comes out nice. As you can see, my skin is having like a serious war with me. Okay, I'm breaking out so bad, which I don't know why. I'm sorry for any background noise. So I'm going to blend that out with my brush before I go in with my sponge. I'm going to go over with my sponge to blend it out even more. Next step, I'm going to contour, and for contour I'm going to be using this palette right here, this foundation palette, and I'm going in with the darkest shade in the palette to contour my face. And I'm going to go over with a sponge to, you know, even everything out, get rid of any harsh lines on the face. So for concealer, me personally, I like to go in with like a shade, you know, more of my skin tone, a shade which is more of my skin tone first, to, you know, kind of set the under eyes, and then I go in with a lighter shade to, you know, highlight the under eyes. So I'm going to go in with a concealer. The concealer I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, which is in the shade Fawn. So this is what it looks like. Moving on to the fun part, we are going to conceal. So to do that, I'm going to go in with this concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's in the shade Medium Bisque. So this is it right here. I have it at the back of my hand. I'm going to go ahead and focus that here. I don't know if it's light enough, to be honest. Go ahead and blend it out and see the results of how this will turn out. But let me go ahead and highlight the chin as well, the bridge of my nose, the forehead, and then leave that to sit for a while. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. I'm first going to start with the mouth area, and I'm blending it downwards. So at this point, I'm scared of messing things up here, so I'm going to go in with a sponge, and then guys, ignore my sponge, okay? I'm going to blend that out with a sponge to soften everything out, get rid of the harsh lines. And guys, I'm looking very light, but we will let me go ahead and do the other side, and I'll be back. Moving on, I'm going to set my concealer in place with my Pan loose face powder. This is what it looks like. It's very light, like it's on the lighter side, so I'm not going to bake. All right, this is another hack you know you should be doing, you know, instead of baking or whatever, you should press the powder underneath the eyes to set it. Like, you need to set it. All right, so yeah, well, some people some people want to set it and then bake at the same time. It all depends on you, what you want, your preferences. I'm going to go ahead and take my sponge, my Richard sponge, and then take the powder on it to really set the concealer in place. Like, I'm going to keep pressing it till it settles in to the skin. Guys, do you see how bright and smooth my under eyes look right now? I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm so happy. Like, I'm obsessed. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next step. I think I'm going to, I don't know what next. I don't know if I should use the same powder. I think I'm going to use the same powder, but tap it at the back of my hand like that, and then set the concealer like wherever I applied my concealer, which is going to be the chin and the forehead as well. So at this point, I'm looking like a ghost, I know, but don't worry, we are going to make everything settle. All right, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is more of my skin tone, and then set the rest of my face with it. Do you see that? Do you see that? I'm not taking it underneath the eyes. I'm just going to apply it at this area of the face. So I'm going to do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse. Watch how I do my brows, and then, you know, when I finish, I'll come back and, you know, continue with you guys. So as you can see, my brows are done. I'm going to do a little bit of eyeshadow, nothing intense. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse as well to do that. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and this is going to be my crease shade. I hope you can see. I'm going to apply that in my crease. With a dark shade, a black eyeshadow, I tapped in a little bit, and I'm going to focus that on the outer V of the eyes and blend in circular motions. So for the lid, I'm going to go in with this blush pink. Can you see it? I'm going to apply this all over the lid. Guys, the eyes is pretty much done, and I went ahead and I popped on my lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set my contour and then put on blush and all that, and I think that will be it. So guys, for blush, I'm going to mix this two right here, a little bit of this and more of this, as my blush. So final step, I'm going to, not final step, but last but one step before the lip, I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face, the whole of my face. For lipstick today, I'm going to go in with this nude lipstick right here. And this brings us to the end of the video. That is it, guys. This is how it looks. This is how it turned out. It looks really nice. I look very, this makeup look is 10 out of 10, okay? I look very, this makeup look very nice. Can you see that? Can you tell? Can you see how pretty I look? So yeah, I like this so much. I'm going to be doing this often. This is the look for me, okay? This is what I'll be doing from now onwards. So yeah, I'm going to leave you guys and do a wear test of this. I'll be updating you guys as I go. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification bell, that way you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be very happy to reply. And I'll see you guys later, when I'm updating you guys on how this look progresses. I don't know whether it lasts longer or not. All right, I'm not going to be touching up, okay? It's currently 1 p.m. so yeah, let's see how long this will last. So it's currently 10 a.m. and let's see how long this is going to last, okay?